Every girl wants to look her best, not just beautiful, but powerful. But most girls don't realize that it's not lack of makeup or skincare that's holding them back. It's their daily habits. You don't wake up one morning and suddenly feel ugly. It happens slowly, with every careless choice, every negative thought, every ignored habit. Beauty isn't only about what's on your face. It's about your energy, your discipline, your posture, your presence. And some of your everyday habits are quietly destroying that. So today, I'll expose 12 habits that are silently making you unattractive, mentally, emotionally, and physically. And by the end of this video, you'll see why true beauty has nothing to do with filters and everything to do with how you live. Let's get real. Habit 1. Constant self-criticism. Let's start with the most common one, negative self-talk. Every time you look in the mirror and say, my skin looks bad, or I hate my nose, you're programming your brain to believe you're not enough. And when you do that every single day, your confidence drops, your energy dulls, and people can literally feel that insecurity. Stop it. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be kind to yourself. The most attractive girls aren't the prettiest. They're the ones who walk in confidence, who radiate peace, who look comfortable in their own skin. So from today, stop criticizing yourself for what you are not and start appreciating what you already have. That's your real glow up. Habit 2. Sleeping late, waking up tired, dark circles, dull skin, mood swings, all signs of one simple problem. Sleep deprivation. You can't expect your skin to glow when your body never gets time to repair itself. Late night scrolling might feel harmless, but those few hours are costing you your freshness, your focus, your face glow. Healthy, confident women guard their sleep like treasure. Because 8 hours of rest isn't laziness, it's self-respect. Sleep early, wake up energized, and your face will start showing what peace actually looks like. Habit 3. Eating like you don't care. Beauty starts in your gut. If your diet is full of chips, caffeine, and random snacks, your skin will scream it out loud. You can't glow from the outside if your inside is struggling to survive. Overeating, undereating, crash diets, all of them make your body feel unsafe. Eat real food, protein, fruits, hydration, balance. A confident girl respects her body enough to fuel it, not punish it. Remember, the goal isn't a flat stomach, it's a healthy system. That's what gives you real radiance. Habit 4. Excessive screen time. You spend hours staring at a screen, phone, laptop, TV, and then wonder why your eyes look tired, your posture slouches, your mood feels empty. Blue light dulls your skin. But the bigger problem is, it disconnects you from real life. When you scroll too much, you subconsciously start comparing yourself to edited perfection. You stop living your own story. Cut it down. Protect your eyes, your posture, and your peace. Attractiveness isn't in the filter, it's in the focus you bring to real things. Habit 5. Not drinking enough water. You already know this, but still ignore it. Dehydration kills your glow faster than anything else. Dry skin, tired eyes, chapped lips, they're all your body's way of saying, girl, drink some water. You can spend thousands on skincare, but if your body's cells are starving for hydration, nothing will work. Keep a bottle near you. Sip throughout the day. It's simple, but it changes everything. Glow up doesn't always come in bottles. Sometimes, it's inside the bottle of water you forget to drink. Habit 6. Bad posture, low confidence. You can have a perfect outfit, perfect makeup, but if your shoulders are slouched and your head is down, you'll never look confident. Posture speaks before you do. When you stand tall, your body tells the world, I know who I am. I belong here. Fix your posture, shoulders back, chin up. Walk like you respect yourself. It's not arrogance. It's elegance backed by confidence. Habit 7. Jealousy and gossip. You want to know what's truly ugly? Talking bad about other people. When you gossip, when you feel jealous, when you compare, you project insecurity. Confident women don't compete. They inspire. They don't hate another girl's success. They learn from it. Every time you choose peace over pettiness, you become more magnetic. Gossiping doesn't make you interesting. It makes you invisible. Stop wasting your glow on negativity. Habit 8. Holding grudges, overreacting. When you hold anger inside you, it shows. In your tone, your eyes, your expression. You can fake smiles, but you can't fake energy. People feel tension before they even see your face. Let go. Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's strength. Attractive energy is calm energy. So drop the drama. Every minute spent angry is a minute stolen from your glow. Habit 9. Neglecting movement. You don't have to hit the gym for 2 hours, but you must move. A body that never moves becomes stagnant, and stagnant energy looks lifeless. Walk, dance, stretch, lift. Do anything that makes your blood flow. When your body moves, your mind sharpens, your face brightens, and your confidence skyrockets. Remember, motion creates emotion. Stillness, when overdone, kills it. Habit 10. Living in stress mode. Stress is the real beauty killer. It triggers acne, dullness, hair fall, and worse. It makes you look tired even when you're not. Your face reflects your thoughts. And if your thoughts are chaos, your glow can't survive. Take breaks. Journal. Meditate. Breathe. Because peace isn't a luxury, it's maintenance. A peaceful woman always looks powerful. Habit 11. Ignoring mental health. We fix everything outside. But when it comes to our mind, we avoid it. But real attractiveness comes from emotional stability. From being calm in chaos, kind in anger, composed under pressure. If you need help, take it. Therapy, breaks, silence, whatever heals you. Because a healthy mind gives you something no makeup can. Presence. When your mind is clear, your beauty becomes magnetic. Habit 12. Chasing perfection. This one's the trap. Trying to look perfect all the time, flawless skin, perfect hair, perfect photo, kills your real charm. People connect with authenticity, not filters. Imperfection is human. Confidence in imperfection. That's power. Stop editing yourself to please others. Start expressing yourself to inspire others. Perfection is boring. Real is radiant. So if you've been wondering why your glow feels missing, stop searching in products. Start checking your habits. You don't need to change your face. You need to change your discipline. The most beautiful version of you isn't the one with perfect skin. It's the one with peace, confidence, and consistency. Stop being your own enemy. Start becoming your own standard. Because remember, ugly habits create a dull life, but strong habits create an unstoppable woman. If this hit you, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Your glow up starts with your mindset.